How to get Meta verified on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get Meta verified on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to get Meta verified on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application, come to the profile page, tap the three lines option and then just go to settings and privacy. When you go to settings and privacy, all you have to do is look for this option known as account type and tools and then tap on it. And here you'll find request verification. Make sure to tap on it again. Once you tap on request verification, first of all, there are many things that you have to consider. First is that you need to confirm your authenticity. So make sure to confirm your authenticity for yourself by providing your legal documents. After that, you also need to confirm your notability, which means that you have to be someone that the public has interest on, such as a public figure, celebrity, or brand account. And you can also include some other links that will prove that you are a real public figure or a celebrity. Only then you will be able to go ahead and then basically verify or get verified on Instagram. This way you'll be able to go ahead and get Meta verified on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.